Far too often, as an AV company, do we see it where clients email us and say, here's this, this, and this, all this information. Can you get me a quote right away? Look, I totally get it. We want to get this done, have your people working for you while you work on other things, all those things like that, and meetings take time. But as you know, nothing beats something face-to-face. That's why we're event planners. And AV companies truly do agree. Far too often do you email over some specs, and I've even seen it where some AV companies will then come back and ask you more questions via email. And you end up spending more time actually emailing back and forth and trying to understand what's going on and the questions that you have and this and this and that. Things get lost in translation. Let's just solve it all by emailing at first and saying, hey, let's set up a meeting. During this meeting, a lot of questions are going to be answered and a lot of questions and things are going to get knocked out all at once in a short 1 hour long meeting. That's all it takes. It shouldn't be like a 4-hour planning session or anything like that. Just 1 hour meeting, sometimes 45 minutes. You can go through all the details. They can ask the question. If you say something, it allows them to get a follow-up. We all have way too much email. Let's reduce it, knock it out in a 1 hour meeting, and you will find that you'll end up getting a quote because all the questions will be answered in one get-go.